Mount Lemmon, man. We at the bottom, so we're gonna make it to the entrance pretty soon, but it's about 6 of us. So we got me, of course, the only SS1 I lead, but we got 2 C6 Corvettes. We got the new M2. We got a Subi WRX. We got a Ducati. I believe it's a Corsa bike. It's badass. I like it. But yeah, we about to go ahead and hit Lemmon. So we about to go all the way up to the top. So the top of Mount Lemmon, I believe the elevation is about I want to say 6,000, 8,000. So we pretty much going to be going way up there. It takes about like, I want to say like an hour to make it to the top. But we're going to stop at another spot called Windy Point, which is I would say like 10 miles into the mountain. So that's going to be fun. Let me do a pull. Second gear. Oh, and we got a ZL1 up here, so added to the group. So that's going to be pretty fun. And I got my track set up tires, so that's pretty cool. I need to start wearing my Insta360, man, because I had some fun runs yesterday, seeing how my car stacked up. But it's not going to do no good if I don't have a video for you guys, because it was like sporadic at the moment. So I need to have like a camera always ready. But this one, giving me that Hot One LE vibe. Shout out to Hot One LE. So this is going to be one of those, I'm going to just shut up and we just enjoying the drive. I just wanted to tell you guys what I'm doing, so you guys not just asking yourself like, what the hell are you doing? So yeah, so enjoy the drive, enjoy the mountain, and drop a comment below. This is the run. We at Mount Lemmon, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all do, y'all hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Don't forget to follow the MOC. That's Q to Chaotic Race Conference and 100 Game 8.